Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get Sturdy Bone in Monster Hunter World. Sturdy Bone is a low and high rank material found only in two locations. These are Coral Highlands and Rotten Vale. In Coral Highlands, you can find bone piles in areas 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 13. In Rotten Vale, bone piles appear in areas 1, 2, 4, 5, 12, 13, and 16. From experience, the fastest farming method is Rotten Vale upper levels. Area 4 is especially good because 3 bone piles spawn very close to each other. Run this route, gather everything, then leave the map or switch areas to refresh the bone piles. And that's how to get Sturdy Bone in Monster Hunter World. Thank you so much for watching.